other method. I couldn't get it in the other method.
This sum of the four numbers.
Yes, ma'am, the four numbers, the sum of the four numbers is 50, that question.
Yes, in which the greatest number is 4 times the least, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have not got the number?
Oh my God, ma'am, 5 and 15, 20, but I used some other thing, ma'am. I wrote A plus, like I didn't use A plus 3D, A minus 3D, that formula, ma'am. I used
Okay, just send it to me. I will check. Okay, beta Pranya.
after, ma'am, sure.
Yeah. Children, if you are doing your homework, I have asked you so many times, kindly send out my personal video so that I can check whether you are doing correct or not. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start now. PYQs we are doing. In 2021, this question came. If the mth term of an AP is 1 upon n and the nth term of an AP is 1 upon n, then prove that sum of mn terms is half mn plus 1. So any idea, children, how we can solve this question?
First, we can do like this, ma'am. Like mth term, no, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, wait. Ma'am, A and D will be equal, no, ma'am.
Why, A and D, why?
Ma'am, it is an AP, no, ma'am.
Yes. See,
Ma'am,
mn AP is 1 upon n. So first of all, you will write, let A and D be the first term and the common difference. Right, beta?
yes,
Now,
ma'am.
m term will be A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon n. Got it, my point?
Ma'am, could you repeat, ma'am?
Yes. See, let A and D be the first term and common difference. Now, we know nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And this nth term is given how much? 1 upon n. So you can write A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon n. This is your first equation. Now the first line of your question says that mth term. So instead of m, you will write m is equal to A plus m minus 1 into D. And it is equal to 1 upon n. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kashvi, Pranya, Abhinav, Moksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhant, Siddhishri, Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, then we can cross multiply, no, ma'am.
Then you have Shan. Yes, beta. Meher. Yes, beta. Could not cross multiply. Now you have got two linear equations in
Yeah,
A
let's
and
solve them.
B variable. Yes. Then use the elimination method only. So you will write on solving equation 1 and 2, we get So elimination method we can use here. Right? It will be easy for you. See, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 upon n, and a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 1 upon n. Now subtract them, beta. So minus. Is minus 0. So you can write n minus 1 minus m plus 1 into d is equal to 1 upon m minus 1 upon n. We can write like this, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, kindly be on unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes.
1 minus 0. So n minus m into d is equal to. Now here you can take LCM mn. Right? So n minus m in the numerator. Then value of d will be 1
1 by mn.
1 upon mn. Right, beta? So in this way, you can find value of a also. So find it and tell me the value of a.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yes, I am scrolling.
Ma'am, a also equals to 1 by mn.
Value of a is?
1 by mn.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have done?
Ma'am, I got a value.
Okay. Just wait for a while, beta. All have written this, children?
Wait, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. Now, children, after getting value of d, you will put value of d in equation 1. Equation 1 was a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 upon m. Right, beta? So now put here a plus n minus 1 into d. D is 1 upon mn is equal to 1 upon m. Now multiply a plus n upon mn minus 1 upon mn is equal to 1 upon m, and n cancel. So a plus 1 upon m minus 1 upon mn is equal to 1 upon m. 1 upon m, 1 upon m, cancel. So value of A will be 1 upon M. So you all have got the same value? Tell me, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Meher has replied only. Pranya, Abhinav, Kashvi,
Yes.
Moksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth,
Yes.
ma'am.
Shan,
Yes, ma'am.
Sudhanshu, Siddhishri. Okay, now next is, after this, you have to find sum of Mn terms. We have to find sum of Mn terms. So formula for sum of Mn term will be Mn by 2, then 2a plus Mn minus 1 into D. Right, now put the value of A and D here. So Mn by 2, A is your 1 upon Mn plus Mn minus 1. D again you are 1 upon Mn. Just solve it. So Mn by 2, 2Mn plus Mn upon Mn. I'm going to open the bracket upon Mn. Mn cancel. Now Mn by 2. Now you can 2 upon Mn minus 1 upon Mn plus 1. So you can take the LCM. Mn LCM you can take. So 2 minus 1 plus Mn you will write. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Mn upon 2 into 1 plus Mn by Mn. Mn cancel. So half Mn plus 1. And this thing we have to show only. So hence. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, how many marks did this come for, ma'am, in the board exam?
This question is of 5 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
So Aryan, Abhinav, Siddharth, Moksha, Kashvi, Meher, Pranya, Shyam, Siddhishri, Sudhanshu. All have understood, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Kindly note it down it fast. Then I will give you next question on the same pattern.
Can you scroll
Scroll down or up, beta?
down? I have to do the last. That's it.
Fine.
Yes. Done.
All are beta?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Children, have you remembered about the median which you were calculating in your statistic?
Is that
Median. If number of terms are odd and if number of terms are even. Two cases were there
Yes,
in
ma'am.
case of median. In grade 9 you have studied.
I'm just going to revise it again.
Yes, I will
forgot.
revise. So may I proceed to next question, children? Kindly show me your thumbs up. Okay. Siddhishri, Meher, Siddharth. Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
You have not shown the thumbs up. That's why I'm asking. See now, your median was median basically means middle term. Right, beta? So suppose if we are having 5 terms. So your middlemost term will be 3. It is obviously seen. You can observe in the series only. And if suppose number of terms or observations are 100. So what will be your middle term, or you can say what will be the median? So in case you have two things. First is when n is odd, then your median, or you can say middle term, will be n plus 1 by 2th term. Right? So here, and when n is even, then your median will be, or middle term will be, average of these two sums, n by 2th and n by 2th plus 1th term. So see, suppose you are having 1 to 15 term, and we have to find the middlemost term. So how you will find the value of n is 15. Then your middle term will be n plus 1 by 2. So 15 plus 1 by 2th. So it means 16 by 2th. So 8th term. So whatever 8th term will be given, that will be your middle term. Have you remembered now?
Yes.
Yes, children. Have you remembered?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again?
See, there are two cases of finding the median. First is when number of terms or number of observations are even. Then you have to apply this half of n by 2th and n by 2th plus 1 term. And then if n is odd, then you will you will find your middle term by using this formula, n plus 1 by 2th term. See, by the question we will learn. It will be more clear. Okay. See now. See now. This type of question came in your exam, and this is also in your NCERT exemplar. Find the sum of all 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. In 2 marks, this question was there. Find the sum of all 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. So I have already told you that your middle term is given 30. And how many number of terms are there? 11, beta? Right? So therefore,
Yes.
n is your odd number. So how you will find middle term? Middle term will be n
N
plus
plus
1
1 by 2.
by 2th. Right, beta? And this is equal to 30. Right?
Yes.
Yes, so 11 by 2 by 2th. So it will be 12 by 2. It means the sixth term is 30. Got it, my point?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
your, yes, sixth term is your 30. Then easily you can find the sum. So sixth term is 30. It means A plus 5D is equal to 30, beta.
Yes.
Right? This is your first equation. Now we have to find the sum of 11 terms. Now you will see, you will say that, ma'am, how we will find the value of A and D? Because we have not given anything except the sixth term. Is it given? Tell me, children, is it given?
No.
So what we will doing here? So you will apply just the formula of n term. So n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So 11 term sum we have to find. 11 by 2, 2a plus 11 minus 1 into d. Now see, 11 by 2, 2a plus 10d. So children, if we will multiply equation 1 by 2, you will get this value 2a plus 10d. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, children, at least you can reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now you can take 2 common. Then a plus 5d. Now value of a plus 5d is 30.
30.
So 11 by 2, 2 into 30. 2 cancel. So your answer will be 330. So sum of 11 terms is 30. When middle term 330, when middle term is given, middlemost term is given 30. Understood, children?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Siddhi, understood? Aryan,
Yes,
Sudhanshu,
ma'am.
Siddharth, Moksha, Kashvi,
Yes,
Pranya.
ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, I did not understand how we got the last answer, ma'am.
Which one, beta? There is sum of 11 terms.
No, ma'am, once can you scroll down.
Up or down?
Down.
Down. Okay. Yes, where, beta?
Yes, ma'am, here we were like writing 2 in brackets a plus 5d. How did we get the answer is 330 in the end?
See, value of a plus 5d. From the sixth term, we have 30 now.
Yes, ma'am.
From equation 1, you can write. So I have put the value of a plus 5d here only, 30. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. So from equation 1, we got that a plus 5d is 30 and then we substitute.
30. Yes, yes. We have substitute here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Please note it down it fast, children.
Done, ma'am.
I guess hold on. Ma'am, not that one.
Ma'am, can you scroll up? I didn't write the even formula.
Okay.
Done.
Can you scroll down, ma'am?
Yes, children, may I proceed to next question?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now, next question is, if the sum of m terms of P is the same as the sum of n terms, then show that sum of its m plus n terms is equal to 0. So any idea, children? Sum of m and n terms is given and both
Ma'am,
are equal. Yes, beta.
maybe we can take S of m is equals to m divided by 2 and then we write the formula and then we
Yes.
do the same and then
Yes. Yes,
use the
beta.
substitute.
Yes, substitution. You will substitute the value of a and d here, right? So start
Yes,
doing,
ma'am.
children. Good, beta. Start.
Ma'am, then, ma'am, the answer,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I think, then,
May I explain?
ma'am, some idea came, ma'am, but I forgot now.
Okay, just note it down in notebook. Whatever came in your mind.
Ma'am, here, so both the sum will be equal, no, ma'am. Then number will be also equal, no, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, for instance, ma'am, let's take like Sm equals to m by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d, no, m minus 1 d, no,
It is
ma'am.
not given, beta. This condition we have not given. Their sum is given equal. Suppose Rn, we are having these digits. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So their sum is 15,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Or we can take 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5, plus 6, 11, plus 4. So their number of digits are same, beta. But their sum is same, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this thing is not given that their number of terms are also equal.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
like what
how
I
do you
said, no. Sm, ma'am, Sm equals to m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 d, no, ma'am. They said the
Yes.
sum is equal, no, ma'am.
So only sum is equal.
Okay, ma'am.
So you will let A and D be the first term and the common difference. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you have given this condition Sm is equal to Sn. So sum of m term will be m by 2. 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Right, beta? And sum of n terms will be n by 2. 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Right? 2 to cancel. Abhinav done?
No, ma'am, stop.
Moksha, Pranya, Kashvi done?
Still doing, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, isn't it n by 2 is into 2a plus n minus 1 into d?
Yes, yes, and by mistake I have written here. First of all, you can open this bracket by multiplying with the m. So it will be 2am, right, beta? Plus m square minus m into d is equal to multiplying with 2am plus n square minus n into d. Right? Now you can segregate d and a terms. So 2am minus 2an will be equal to n square minus n into d minus m square minus m into d. Right, children? We can do like this.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can take 2a common. Then m minus n will be there. And from these terms, these two terms, we can take d common. So n square minus n minus m square minus minus plus into d. So 2a m minus n is equal to d. Now write what you can write.
Ma'am, the
Write-
identity.
Yes, m square minus m square and then minus n plus n. Right, beta?
Yes.
Now you can apply the identity. 2a m minus n is equal to d. Identity of a square plus b square. A plus b and a
M plus
minus.
M into N minus.
Yes.
One doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, why is
Why
it
do we have?
why is
Yes,
it D
beta?
on two sides, ma'am? It
Yes,
is D is common, no, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. So now 2a m minus n. Now you can take what you can take common? M minus n I can take common. Plus n. N plus n I am taking common. Then it will be n minus m minus 1. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we bring 2a on this side and say we add
Can
it
do.
and
We can do. We can
it
do.
is equal to 0?
Yes. Now see. Now we have to find sum of mn terms, right, beta? So it will be mn by 2, 2a plus mn minus 1 into d. So now we will put this value. Okay, children, this question we will continue in next meeting at 7:10. Kindly rejoin my meeting again. Okay, beta? Just take 10 minutes break.